Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your trusted destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, spec breakdowns, and the latest insights from the world of two-wheel engineering. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager, Kawasaki's flagship touring cruiser that blends classic American styling with Japanese reliability and cutting-edge tech. If long-distance comfort, power, and presence on the open road are what you crave, then the new Voyager might just be your next two-wheeled companion. A true touring icon, what's new in 2025? The Vulcan 1700 Voyager has always been Kawasaki's premium answer to the heavyweight touring segment. For 2025, Kawasaki hasn't reinvented the platform but rather enhanced it where it counts. The design retains its timeless bagger appeal, but with updated features, better ergonomics, and refined ride quality. Subtle updates to electronics, infotainment, and rider comfort make the 2025 model the most refined version of the Voyager to date. Perfect for riders who demand comfort without compromising on power or style. Engine and performance, big V-twin power. At the heart of the Voyager is a tried-and-true 1,700 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, producing a solid 81 horsepower and a massive 108 lb-ft of torque at just 2,750 rpm. This low-end grunt makes highway cruising effortless, and climbing steep mountain passes with a full load feels smooth and confident. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission with an overdrive gear for relaxed high-speed cruising. Kawasaki has also refined the electronic throttle valve system, ensuring smoother throttle inputs and better response in various conditions. Whether you're cruising through winding backroads or eating up highway miles, the Voyager delivers consistent, strong performance. Chassis and suspension, built for the long haul. Touring comfort demands stability and smoothness, and the Voyager delivers with a high-tensile steel double-cradle frame, tuned for stability with a long 65.6-inch wheelbase. The bike weighs over 890 pounds, but once in motion, it feels planted and predictable. The front features 45mm telescopic forks, while the rear is supported by dual air-assisted shocks that are adjustable for preload, perfect for tailoring the ride when carrying passengers or heavy luggage. Combined with a low center of gravity, the Voyager handles surprisingly well for a full-dress touring bike. Brakes and safety features, confident stopping power. The Voyager comes equipped with dual 300mm front discs and a single 300mm rear disc, all governed by Kawasaki's KCT, Kawasaki Advanced Coactive Braking Technology, linked braking system. This ensures even pressure distribution between front and rear wheels for balanced, effective braking. ABS is standard, and for 2025, the software has been updated for smoother intervention on varied surfaces, whether you're riding through rain-soaked roads or dry pavement. The Voyager isn't just built for comfort, it's built for confidence and control. Touring tech and infotainment, modern meets classic. Long-distance touring isn't just about power, it's also about convenience and entertainment. The 2025 Voyager features an updated 7-inch TFT touchscreen display with Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Navigation, phone calls, music, and trip data are all easily accessible at your fingertips. The audio system has also been enhanced, now boasting dual 40W speakers that remain crisp and clear even at highway speeds. Additionally, cruise control, a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, and heated grips come standard, ensuring every ride is as enjoyable as it is comfortable. Rider and passenger comfort, built for endless miles. When it comes to long-haul touring, comfort is non-negotiable, and Kawasaki knows this well. The Voyager comes with a deeply contoured rider seat, wide passenger accommodations, and a full-sized cushioned backrest. Floorboards offer multiple foot positions, reducing fatigue over long hours in the saddle. The large frame-mounted fairing and adjustable windshield provide excellent wind protection, keeping turbulence to a minimum while maintaining visibility. Dual glove compartments, a large top case, and spacious side panniers offer over 35 gallons of combined storage, enough to carry luggage for cross-country trips with ease. fuel economy and range, touring efficiency. Despite its size and power, the 2025 Voyager manages respectable fuel economy thanks to its overdrive 6th gear and optimized fuel mapping. Riders can expect around 39 miles per gallon, paired with a 5.3-gallon fuel tank, giving you a potential range of over 200 miles between fill-ups. Ideal for touring without frequent stops. Kawasaki's focus on rideability, smooth power, and efficient cruising ensures the Voyager stays comfortable and economical, even when fully loaded. Pricing and competition, where it stands. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager comes in at a starting price of approximately $19,999, undercutting many of its heavyweight touring rivals like the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Ultra and Indian Roadmaster. While it may lack some of the ultra-premium luxury touches of those bikes, the Voyager makes up for it with unbeatable reliability, proven engineering, and a smoother ownership experience. For riders who want the touring experience without the premium price tag, the Voyager remains one of the best value full-dress tourers on the market. Final verdict: the Voyager's legacy continues. In a world where touring bikes are either becoming outrageously expensive or overly tech-driven, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager finds the perfect middle ground. It offers classic cruiser appeal, modern tech, and rock-solid touring credentials, all wrapped in a package that's both beautiful and dependable. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a mile-eating machine, designed to take you across the country in comfort, confidence, and style. If you're a rider who believes the journey matters just as much as the destination, the Voyager is your ultimate road partner. Outro: subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for watching MVP Auto Pro. If this deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Got questions? Or want to see a comparison with the Road Glide or Indian Challenger? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time. Ride far, ride smooth, and keep it tuned to MVP Auto Pro.